Lack of health facility and poor road torment residents of Nili. Joint extended meeting of BJP Matikhola polling station meeting held. Hello and good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You are with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. In another success for Karbi Anglong police, a huge quantity of liquor was seized from Lahore area. Altogether, 40 cartons of Arunachal-made liquor was seized from a gypsy while it was headed towards Dimapur. The huge quantity of Arunachal-made liquor was seized by the Khatkati police team after receiving information from their sources. It was recovered from a gypsy with the registration number NL07C9223 while it was headed towards Dimapur. However, the driver of the gypsy managed to escape from the police. Altogether, 480 bottles of liquor was seized from the gypsy. According to the police, the liquor was purchased from the Blue Diamond wine shop owned by one Rinku Borwa. The seized liquor along with the gypsy has been taken into custody by the police and is currently being kept at Khatkati police station at the time of compiling this report. Locals stated that even in lockdown period, liquor was being smuggled out through small vehicles and the illegal activities have considerably increased following the easing of lockdown rules. Recently, Sun City bar owner was reportedly in news for similar activities but is stated to roaming freely around the area. Anantarang from Bokojan for Karbi Anglong Live. With monsoon season almost coming to an end, Forest Department officials have also increased patrolling across the district in anticipation of an increase in timber smuggling activities by forest mafias. And in a development, one truck was seized by Forest Department at Mujem inside Jirikindeng Forest Area, West Karbi Anglong District. Southern Range Kironi Forester team seized a truck at Mujem while following a fresh vehicle tire strike while patrolling the area. The truck driver and other men managed to flee the scene before the forest officials reached the isolated spot where the truck was halted. On reaching the spot, the forest officials also found 23 logs stated to be of M. Saltree from the truck with the registration plate ML049884. The truck along with the timbers have later been taken into the custody of Forest Department of Keroni Southern Range. Mohanteron's report from Keroni for Karbi Anglong Live. A meeting of the Gram Sabha was held on Sunday at Jaipong Market. The meeting was jointly organized by the Langsomepi Development Block and Langhin VDC. More from our correspondent's report. The meeting was chaired by GB Roman Rongpi and was attended by Langhin VDC Chairman Kansai Basumatari, Langsomepi Development Block Assistant BDO Sudhirman Barman, JE Hingchong Terang, Gram Sevika Mamta Begum, Langhin VDC Secretary Krishna Basumatari, GB Sikari Kro, Langhin Youth Morcha President Toniram Rongpi and several others. During the meeting, the BDO told that all those persons whose names have been included in the beneficiary list for PMAY houses should get ready with all necessary documents. They are asked to submit the documents to the village headman or the persons involved in the work. J. Hingchong Terang said that those persons who do not have job card can easily avail it by going to the block office along with their voter ID card and photo. VDC Secretary Krishna Basumatari assured that those whose names have been included in the PMAY list should not lose hopes. He said that in the new session, more names will be included. Sabha from Langhin, Caribbean Online. Humri dam ikha. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers sakuladalong nanglitum anam ki jumpen blanket mate kachiomapi kachin thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi ke chogabar sai long ikji lapen nanglitum jongsi akuladalong kedam jiaphan apor duredat pusitami matha ikri bangso akuladalong pen kethon ke banabar sai setami long ikji Lasi Humri Damikha, the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim Lake, Dipu Ronghelan, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Adu. Welcome back after the break. The arrival of the rainy season has exposed poor condition of several roads from across the district. One latest news which have come to us shows how much backward and undeveloped our district is, even at this point of time when leaders are speaking to make the nation a superpower and our local leaders are busy with their political agendas. One ailing person had to be carried on a cloth for 30 kilometers due to the absence of proper road and the nearby health center. The incident took place on Saturday when young boy named Goshnal Bey, who had been ill for 2 weeks, was taken to the Malasi hospital at Dolamara. He was brought from Taraaji, more than 30 kilometers away from the hospital. Due to extremely poor condition of the road, no ambulance or any other vehicle could reach them. He had to be carried on the shoulders with the help of a cloth coat. The pain and suffering the patient and his parents had to face is beyond the capacity to be explained.
Kunat pen sikiban lo lake
tarapung pen sikiban
tarapung di kusorong bang lo tarapung ke sai taroro kila ke kisu puyalo ma
kisu hopta hini na kisu rong lo
hala dak sika chilang jawar sai thang tabi ma
abedo yeri to bolong kai kisu kulote thang pen toro velo
gari motor thang tabi lo sai kena damun e ma aning kan bang la son si se chilang pon bom lo
It is, however, not a new fact as most areas under Nilip constituency is one of the most neglected area. The result of their negligence is the absence of good road, proper drinking water, electricity and schools in Tarapung and Taraaji areas. Decades after decades have passed by, but the people here are still living life of deprivation meted to them by their own people. People of the area are waiting for the day 14 Karbi Anglong to deliver their promises with the hope that the BJP slogan Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas will include their development as well. But it is not yet happening. People of the area say that it is high time for the KAAC to think seriously about this most deprived region of the district, or else the glamour and brightness of the towns will be meaningless. News X Report, Caribbean Online. EM Loon Singh Teron on Sunday attended the joint extended meeting of the Matikola polling station, during which 52 families marched with the ruling BJP party. Here's a short report from our Danarong correspondent. The joint extended meeting of the Matikola polling station falling under the Mahamaya constituency was held on Sunday. The meeting was led by Sarsing Timong and attended as chief guest by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Loon Singh Teron and others including Dokmoka Town Municipal Board Chairman Biren Teron, Mandal Committee Secretary Babu Tiso, Mandal Vice President Joy Singh Kro, VDC Chairman Arson Rongpi, VDC Member Lawrence Rongpi, Mohila Morcha President, Yuva Morcha President, among others. While speaking on the occasion as chief guest, EM Loon Singh Teron stated that a major lifeline road connecting the area is on the third list. During the meeting, the public also expressed happiness and lauded Team Karbi Anglong under the leadership of CM Tuliram Ronghang for bringing visible development across the district. In addition to this, respected singer Bari Rongharpi also enthralled the gathering with several songs. Bikram Teron's report from Danarong for Karbi Anglong Live. To commemorate the death of veteran lyricist and cultural activist late Joy Singh Rongpi from Dongmukak, a football tournament kicked off at Teke Rongpi village. The tournament is being held under the initiative of KAACEM Loon Singh Teron. During the inaugural session of the tournament, EM Loon Singh Teron himself was present along with local BJP Mandal Committee President Purno Ingti, Secretary Babu Tiso, DMB Chairman Biren Singh Teron, Mohila Morcha President Manai Ingtipi and several other party workers from Mahamaya constituency. On the opening day of the tournament, Narlong Ati polling station team clashed with Borganga polling station. Both the teams played equally well and stayed goalless during the stipulated time of the match. To decide the winner, the team went for tiebreaker where Borganga polling station came out victorious. Altogether, 31 teams are taking part in this knockout tournament. Winner prize is fixed at Rs 20,000 while runners-up team will get Rs 15,000. The family members of late Joy Singh Rongpi and the entire village had praised EM Teron for his initiative.
Bharatiya Janata Party at Pandapai, Mili Panamera, Tamia Langli, a Popagala, Alangli of Javoy, as Alangli men pen, Langi family pen, Mohammed Homosti, and Langarno, 31 local committee, local committee, and team Philadelphia, the Lucky Change.
Samsing T's report from Dongmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.